So what happens when a contract is tainted by illegality? Can parties still enforce it? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating area of contract law, the law of illegality under Singapore contract law. So what happens when a contract is tainted by illegality? Can parties still enforce it? Well, let's find out. Now, first things first, what is the law of illegality? Essentially, a contract is considered illegal if its formation or performance is prohibited by law. This might include contracts that involve criminal conduct, such as selling drugs, or contracts that go against public policy, such as prostitution. But remember, just because a contract is illegal doesn't automatically mean that it's unenforceable. There are several factors and elements the court will consider. So, let's break down the types of illegality in contract. Number one is statutory illegality. This refers to the contract itself involving some form of illegal conduct. For example, there might be some kind of law as to the formation of contracts which will entail carrying out certain socially undesirable activities. The second type would be illegality at common law. Such contracts are completely void, and examples include contracts prejudicial to the administration of justice, contracts to deceive public authorities, or contracts to oust the jurisdiction of the courts, contracts to commit a crime, tort, or fraud, contracts that prejudice public safety, and contracts that promote sexual immorality. Where a contract is rendered void by statute or common law, the general starting point is to treat the contract as if it never existed. Any outstanding or unperformed obligations under the contract are extinguished. In other words, insofar as enforcement of such outstanding obligations would have required reliance on the illegal contract, no judicial enforcement is possible. Judicial enforcement may still be available despite the illegality if it is possible to do so without referring to the illegal contract. For example, relying on an independent and separate cause of action. Conversely, the question then arises whether any recovery may be had for benefits which have been conferred under an illegal contract. On one view, such benefits will have been conferred without any basis. It may well be that in some cases, some form of recovery pursuant to the law of unjust enrichment is possible. This is likely to be allowed where one party repents of the illegal contract and withdraws from it before the illegal purpose of the contract is fulfilled. If such repentance is genuine, voluntary, and timely, before any part of the illegal purpose has been carried out, restitutionary recovery pursuant to the principles of unjust enrichment may be allowed. As you can see, the law of illegality in contract law can be complex, and outcomes vary based on the facts and circumstances. The courts carefully balance public policy, statutory requirements, and whether a party is relying on the illegality in the claim. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. See you in the next video.